Hey friends, today is market day here in Nulvi, so although I'm starting really late today after a big week at work, I am gonna head down and see what is going on at the market today. Some weeks it's super busy, some weeks it's really quiet. Today at 11 a.m. we're already at 30 degrees, so I suspect people may have come and gone much earlier this morning, but we're going to go down and check it out, see what we can see. And I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So let's go check out the market here in Nulvi. The market is really not too far from my street, but it is on the other side of the main road, so that's where we're going. Ciao! It is hot today. When I first moved here, the market came in super handy because I needed all this stuff for my home. And yeah, I popped down there and I found a bunch of stuff that I could get that was really cheap at the last minute. I just want to show you. This is Fontana Rosa here in Nulvi. This is a really nice fountain. When I first arrived here, there wasn't any water at all. It's interesting that water's coming from there and not from the fountain itself, because they had turned it on, so I'm not sure if they've turned it off again recently, but the stories that I've heard about this place are that people used to come down into the main parts of town, get water, do their washing, etc., etc. This is the fountain where, one of the fountains where people used to come. And here we're approaching the market. We'll see what is here today. Like I said, it's a hot day, so what will be here each week is really anyone's guess. It's really about just coming down and seeing who's decided to set up. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Like there's not too many here today. Buongiorno. Clothing. Okay, now I want to go shopping. Ciao.
Ciao cara, come stai?
Sto bene.
Fai video?
Sì, sì. Grazie. I think I might have to come back to this one. Pajama. Flowers. Ciao. it sets up differently all the time, and I think it depends on the weather, and I haven't actually been for quite a while, so it's nice to see how they're setting it up now. We have this beautiful piazza here, and this is where they usually have fruit and vegetable for sale, and then there's all household goods over here as well. Sometimes there's a little stall that has cheese and things like that, which I like. Giorno.
Peschi a quanto sono? Una busta per favore.
Anche la pesca non si vuole, la pera. Bene, voi a metà che la dico, cosa ho 3 Sono vicino, senti l'aria fredda. Prende che lei. Ah?
Oh, l'ho presa ieri 2, ti ringrazio.
Sì, va bene. Sì, facciamo. Ok. We need these right now in the heat. So I'm back from the market, and it was a little bit tricky, a little bit challenging to film and actually buy things. I didn't pick up too much, but I did stop at the clothing store and I did get a huge watermelon. I was only going to buy half because it was so heavy, and I asked the guy to cut it in half for me, and then he offered the other half to the gentleman who was there, and he didn't want it because he bought some yesterday. So I felt bad leaving him with half a melon open with potentially no customers to buy, and I asked him how much was it, and for the entire thing, the 10 kilos, was €6.80. So I just took it all home. If I need to, I'll share it with someone else. So as I said, I've already split it and been eating it here. So yeah, very, very cheap and very nice. Lots of seeds, but it's a great color and it is very sweet. I did buy a few items of clothing and I think I picked some good stuff. So I thought I'd share it with you. Markets are obviously great places to pick up cheap clothes, right? I never barter with them. I hear the price. If it was absurd, then I would be like, no, that's too much. But I didn't bother today. I was just like, I'm probably one of the only people that's bought from you today, so happy to give him the money. But anyway, I bought a couple of items. Here is item number 1. So I got this top. I'll try it on and I'll show you what it looks like on, because the guy at the market stand did not have a mirror. He said it broke last week. So whether that's true or not, I have no idea. But he had this like tiny little mirror and I could only get this tiny glimpse of what this stuff looked like on me. So we'll try it on and we'll see how it looks. What do we think? This actually fits super well. It fits really well. Like in the armpits, it's not too open. It's a bit fun, a bit flowy. Blue is like a great color on me, so I always opt for blues. So yeah, I think this is a good find. I also got this little blue dress for the beach, I was thinking. So it's like just a spaghetti straps and nice and flowy, just something to really easily put on over your bikini. So we'll see what this looks like on. This is okay as well. It's absolutely fine for the beach. I could possibly even, belt it around the top here somewhere and cinch it in, just wear it around the street because it's hot, and this sort of stuff allows you to breathe, right? And I also got this strappy, long navy dress. It's got like a slit up the side, a little bit sexy. So this is actually replacing a black one that I had like this that it was so old. I think I bought it in like 2015 or something, and I finally just got rid of it the other day. So this is a navy version, which is much better for my skin tone. See what this one looks like on me. What do we think? I think it's pretty nice, right? Well, that's my little market haul for today. I haven't ever bought clothes from a market stand like that before, so it was a little bit of an experiment, and I think I chose well. I think I'm going to wear all of these items and enjoy them. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and hope you got a kick out of me trying on clothes, something I haven't done before. A little bit weird, but yeah, we will see you next time.